And he won't let me pull it out.
No, and if you try to pull it out,
He'll bite.
He'll pull it like right back to where you can't. Pull
Okay,
it out.
come on.
Blue.
My thumb is in his mouth.
No.
You see him? He's pulling it.
Mm-hmm.
And he's biting it.
And he'll get his paws working like he's a kitten too. Like,
Are you
he'll do his
confused?
paws.
Are
Right?
you confused? He's not
No.
biting though. You would think he is?
He'll do it when he's sleeping too.
Mm-hmm.
You see him? He's moving my hand where he wants it to go.
Like,
You're not going nowhere. You see that? What?
I know.
Am I tasty?
Don't
Am I tasty? You probably all know that sweet. Pull it away.
So how do you get him to stop it?
Until he goes to sleep.
Well, come on. No.
Right? Got him like a baby.
Come on.
Okay, he was